welcome to SpiceCandies. We offered a raffle, and a raffle it was, and now we have to make the candies. So join me. We'll be handling the raffle, the actual choosing of 4 candidates, actually 5. In a second I'll show you why. And then we'll be discussing the candy. Right? Here we go. If you want a hint, this is coffee and chocolate.
The raffle, as you can see over there, is done. It's over. I did promise to choose 4 winners, and the first winner will choose the type of candy. But since, let's take a look, but we have only 5 people that commented. So I don't think it's fair to say one of you guys is not going to win the candies. So you're going to all win the candies. It's a lot nicer, I think. So let's choose who wins. Copy that. Copy. Let's move to a YouTube random comment picker. And we're going to do some pasting. And now we can hit the start button. There we go. And we'll have a winner. And the winner is Oliver. Oliver Null. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Right, Oliver, let's see what kind of candy you wanted. So you guys, all of you guys, Diana, Artel, Stefan, Nathan, and Oliver, of course. All of you guys win. He wanted chocolate and coffee. So chocolate and coffee, there we go. I'm going to make a batch of chocolate coffee candies, and you guys are going to see it online. I'm going to post a video. So here we go. Let's go and make some chocolate coffee candies.
Well, our candy is ready. I'll start with the coffee. As the coffee blends in, I can tell you I've never made this kind of candy before. I did have some preliminary attempts. I had a lot of failures too, so we're using commercial coffee now. This is Taster's Choice. It's a nice coffee. I do prefer Jacobs for candy making, but I have nothing against Taster's Choice. And this is a small batch, so once we get the flavor just right, and in the meantime I hope to get all the addresses done, I'll make a big batch. Right, the coffee is in, chocolate. Now you get a really wonderful aroma of chocolate. And coffee. There we go. Okay, time to pour. Here we go. Hot coffee and chocolate aroma, kitchen. I'll just pour a round slab. Why round? Because I feel like round. No special reason. I like to make these square because then you can actually use most of the candies, but round is nice from time to time. This is a homemade candy, not a commercial one. We don't have to use 100% of our candy. There we go. That goes into the sink. This is what we're going to cut. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's ready. Like most chocolate candies, these harden rather fast. Oh, leave this one a bit big. It's going to be nice to have irregular shaped candies from time to time, and there we go. Interestingly, the coffee is interfering with the rapid cooling and hardening of the chocolate as a candy. There we go. Over there, and that's it. So let it cool off. I'll be with you in a second. Right, these have cooled off. Let's try and break these. Let's take the corners, break the edges, and give it a shot. Very interesting. It does alter the taste of the coffee, but I can barely feel the chocolate. We need more chocolate. Right, so as you guys arrange and send me the addresses, sorry about that, that was really nice candy, but not what I wanted. So we'll be experimenting off camera, and once I get it right, I'll show you the making of your candies. So these are nice and dark, slightly bitter because of the coffee, but they're really nice. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining the raffle, and have a sweet day. I'll be seeing you soon.